this video, we will show how to access the Advanced menu. In order to access the Advanced menu, press the menu button followed by the arrow down button until you highlight Main Menu. Then press the Set button to access the main menu. Push the down button until you highlight Advanced menu. Then press and hold the Set button for approximately 3 seconds to unlock the Advanced menu. In this video, we will show how to access the history values of your water treatment system. Under the Advanced menu settings, highlight History Values, then press the Set button to access the general diagnostic information. This first screen will show you the last time and date that it regenerated, as well as how many gallons of water you've used since that regeneration. Then press the arrow down button to show the current system flow rate, as well as the peak or highest flow rate that the system has seen since its last regeneration. Press the arrow down button to show the date and time that the system registered that peak flow rate, as well as the anticipated amount of days before its next regeneration. Press the arrow down button and it'll show the software version that's programmed on the PCB. Then press the menu button to back out. Press the arrow down button to highlight the word Reserve, followed by the Set button to access the calculated reserves for each day based on the highest day's usage over the past 4 weeks. Using the arrow down or up buttons, you can toggle between the days of the week to see what the calculated reserve capacity was. Once you've completed looking at this data, press the menu button to back out. Then press the arrow down button to highlight Usage History, followed by the Set button to access this screen. You'll notice that 56 days history is highlighted, so press the Set button to access that data. The control valve is factory set to track the previous 56 days of history. If you wish to reset the 56 days of history starting today, you'll press the arrow up or down button to highlight the word Yes, followed by the Set button to lock it in. But for this case, we'll leave it on No and then press the Set button to confirm to show you this screen. This screen will show you the amount of gallons used each day for the past 56 days. You can press the arrow down or up buttons to toggle to view each of the last 56 days. Once you are finished reviewing the data, press the menu button to back out. Press the arrow down button to highlight History since startup, followed by the Set button to access this data. This screen is showing the peak flow rate that the system has experienced since startup. Press the arrow down button and the screen will show the total volume of water used since startup. Press the arrow down button and the screen will show the amount of untreated water that has passed through the system since startup. If an amount is shown on the screen, this indicates that the softener has performed an emergency regeneration where it allowed untreated water to pass through the system. Press the arrow down button and the screen will show the total number of regenerations that the system has performed since startup. Press the arrow down button to display the total number of days that the system has been in operation. There is no further information shared, so press the menu button to back out. Press the arrow down button to highlight History since reset, followed by the Set button to access this data. This screen shows the peak flow rate that the system has experienced since the last history reset. By pressing the arrow down button, the screen will show the total used amount of gallons. Press the arrow down button and the screen will show the amount of untreated water that has passed through the system. Press the arrow down button and the screen will show the total number of regenerations performed. Then finally, press the arrow down button to show the total number of days since the last reset. Then press the menu button to back out.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.